Hello, all the students. I hope you all are doing well. So, upcoming, you all are going to have your board exams. All the best for your exams. Now, today, my one of my student from class 12, she came to me and she asked me. She said to me that she's feeling so distracted because her classmates are saying some of the very abusing words to her indirectly, and I thought many of the students might be going through the same thing. And if you are not a student, still this advice can help you in some or the other way. So the thing I told her, the thing she told me is that she has started talking to a guy, to a boy, who is her own classmate, and they both sit together, they both talk together. She says that I share a bond like a sibling with him, and I feel so much like he's my brother, he's my own brother. That's why I talk to him, and I'm the only girl in this batch, and the other boys are uh, quite saying that this girl is this, she talks to this guy, and she's might be having all such things. So she's a very bright student. As much as I know her, she's a very bright student, she's a good scorer, but she has stopped coming to school just because she is here, she's listening to all such kind of things, and she's not able to convey this to anyone at school and at home as well. And also she can't convey this to her friends, that what she feels, how they make her feel. The only thing I advise you all, whenever someone indirectly comments you or directly comments you that you are this, any negative word, you are this, first of all I want to know that what is their position in your life, how much superior you have made them in your life. Like, just think of it, think about it, that why to give so much power, so much strength to someone else, those who can hold your emotions, those who can allow you to feel good or bad. Means upcoming you are going to have an exam, and upcoming you all might be having different things in your life, and while going straight to your path you might be looking at these people coming and telling you that you can't do it, you are this person, you have done this in your past, you will be. So the answer is that what is their position in your life? Do they feed you? Are they feeding you? Are they providing you clothes? They're paying your fees. What what is the position of those people in your life? Like, your parents probably never, means they won't say such things to you. Those who are the providers, they are not saying anything to you. And how can you believe to them who are not even feeding you a meal a day, those who are not responsible for anything of yours? How can you give them so much strength? You don't need to put so much strength and like wasting your energy thinking about what others are thinking about you, what others are saying about you. Like, how much time you have? Not more than 1 month for your board exams. I think so. Not more than not more than 1 month. There, I guess I'm right. But just think of it, in this 1 month, when you have to score good, that time you are thinking that what this person is saying about you, what this person is talking about you, who is doing your back bitching. Speak, but don't speak through your words. You can't make each and everyone happy, and also you don't need to justify each and every person that I am a right person. I am talking to him not because I like him or like that. You don't need that they don't need that justification. They will think only what they want to. Let them think. Let them think whatever they want to. They have, if, see, the thing is that your friends will sometimes misunderstand you. Your parents also might misunderstand you. Your very close, very loved ones will misunderstand you. The only person who never misunderstands is ourselves. We don't misunderstand ourselves. We understand ourselves very clearly, that what we want, what we are feeling, and what kind of person we are, what our intentions are. Only we know. So if you know that you have not done anything wrong, what people are thinking about you doesn't matters. You should never be bothered. You don't need to go and justify each and every person and telling that, saying that, yes, I am a good person. I talk to only girls. I talk to only boys. Now here I am not encouraging any different type of activities by what boys and girls do. Mm, You are a school student, and you should always be a person focused in your studies. You should talk to your friends, whether they are boy or girl. You should talk to them, but you are a grown up child. You know what is right and what is wrong for you, right? So if you know that this is something wrong or this is right, and this time I have to put into my career, you talk to everyone, be a friend, but such type of commitments should not be encouraged in your school life. Okay, and when you move further in your life, you choose whatever you want to. Here I'm not encouraging any such relationships kind of thing, but if you are talking to a friend, whether they are boy or girl, do not think what other people are thinking. Your intention should be pure. Your goal should be clear, that I have to give my board exams, I have to score this much, I have to be focused, nothing can distract me. And this type of attitude you must have to, means, gather your all courage and start preparing. Don't try to justify with your words. Speak with your actions, not with your words. And once you have scored so good, you have succeeded, you have succeeded with your goal, you are doing something for yourself. Each and every person, whether they were your relatives or enemy, each and every person is going to admire you. So when the time is not here, and that time has not arrived yet, that others will admire you, this time sit, hold your courage, and admire yourself. Admire yourself for putting that efforts. Admire yourself for fighting all the things, fighting all the fears, and continuing to move forward for your goals, to achieve those goals. I hope so. Now, this advice is not just for students, this advice is for each and every person. Please do not think, do not give this kind of superior positions in your life to anyone who can just hold your emotion and make you angry or sad at any point of time. You know you are a wonderful person. You know that you are doing hard work. You are doing whatever it requires in your life. So do not think of what others are saying, until and unless they are feeding you or providing you clothes and giving you shelter. And if they are providing each and everything to you, then you should listen ki whether this person is saying right or not. But for the other people, relatives, classmates, they are coming and telling you that you are a this person and saying abusing word. Please just don't even put this in your mind, because you know you are a very bright student, you're a very bright person. People will try to pull you down because they are already down, and so do not come to that down. Keep your mind ahead, keep your mind focused to your goal, and keep doing what you are doing. be thankful, and at the end you will be thankful to yourself. Bye.